So if you're looking to read the codes on your vehicle, say the DTC codes that come off your vehicle, check engine lights, any little thing that the computer on your vehicle will tell you, this device here usually or most likely can do it. This is something I purchased off Amazon. I was using it to check my son's 2013 Volt. It connected, it was able to read all the codes and everything that I expected it to do on that vehicle read-wise. But the reason I bought this was also because it said it had the capability of erasing or clearing codes for powertrain, transmission, some other things in here that it was supposed to be able to do. So I actually needed to clear some of the codes on the car so then I could drive it and see if those codes came back. It would not do it. I think it erased a few of the informational codes, something about the doors not locking, which was normal because I pulled the power on the vehicle. So as a reader, this thing seems to be nice, inexpensive, about 150 bucks. It's all self-contained, everything's there. So this does about the same as the little Bluetooth device that I plug into the car, connect it to my phone, and read codes. So if you open the box, you're gonna see you have the main reader device here, right? Comes with a little screen protector thing on it already, but it's ready to go. You get the connection cable between the device and your vehicle. You get a USB cable here so that you can plug it in and do updates to it and so forth. There's a little card inside. So you can go to the website that's listed on the Amazon page and do an update. But that's where this starts getting a little tricky. So although this says it's a launch product and it is a product being sold by Launch, if you call Launch support, especially the US number, they are going to tell you that Launch does not sell their products on Amazon. The price is way cheaper than they would sell the product for. And two, they're not the ones selling that product. I'm getting a little bit of mixed information. The person I spoke to from the Launch phone number said this is a knockoff. He also said, though, that they get these products from different regions. Like if you look here, this one's going to say Launch. It's going to say cnlaunch.com. So it's China. And so the other thing he was saying is that some people will get these from their different regions that sell these, reprogram them to have like English or whatever, and then sell them to the different markets. Either way, they would not support this whatsoever on the phone. They said, if you got it off of Amazon, we don't support it. You're on your own. Reach out to whoever you bought it from on Amazon. They're not going to help me. Now, don't get me wrong. They weren't rude about it, but you can tell they were obviously frustrated that I bought a product on Amazon that they didn't sell, and somebody's out there, remarketing their products or knocking off their products. So that was kind of the push for me to say, I'm just returning this. I really wasn't going to mess with it anymore. I wasn't going to do a huge review on it or anything. This may be a product that you want, and this may work out for what you need if you're only needing a reader for your vehicle. But to be honest with you, you can just go and get you one of those little $20 Bluetooth devices that connects to your phone, and it's going to be a lot easier to have around. You don't have to carry this big old thing. And then, you just connect it to your phone and you're done. So I'm sticking with my little Bluetooth device for when it comes to just reading codes. What I ended up having to do was go get a VCX Nano, which allows me to do a whole lot more, but you got to connect it to a laptop and deal with the software. That we'll talk about in a whole different video. But I just wanted to let people know that if you are buying this device off Amazon, that Launch says it's not their device, it's not supported by them, and whatever happens, you need to contact the person you're buying this off of Amazon from. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you would, also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the little red button right below the video, and the subscriptions help me out. All right, y'all take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video.